build stuff, and today I'm gonna show you what I've gotten for Christmas and what I've built. So I made some things out of connects. Like one of the smallest thing I made is like a small crossbow here that you load an arrow in through there, and it pulls back here, and it actually fires.
Okay.
Fires pretty far. And the first vehicle here is a crossbow car. Though it can't elevate or traverse, it can only spin around and point in different directions, and it fires pretty good. And yeah, it has 4 wheels, and that's basically all about it. The next one is a military sled with a rear drive wheel and some skids on the front, and is also armed with a crossbow. So this one can traverse and elevate.
Cool.
Pretty cool. This one is kind of like a replica of the Gustav Gun, except for mounted on a tank, and it can elevate but cannot traverse.
For our viewers who don't know what a Gustav gun is, what is that?
It's it was a World War II rail gun that I'm pretty sure it was used by the Germans. And yeah.
Cool. All right.
And this one I call it the Chameleon. It's kind of like a sled, and it has a rear drive wheel. And why I call it the Chameleon is because it's like camo, and it has these eyes right here. And it's also armed with a crossbow that I can elevate and traverse.
And where'd you come up with this idea for the crossbow? Did you get that from someplace, or did you just?
I just decided to make one, and I first used it as toy anti-aircraft guns. But then I decided to mount it onto vehicles.
Cool.
And the coolest one is this. It's actually a Connects windback car.
Okay.
And and I can go like this, and pull it back, and pretty cool.
Nice.
And how it works is, see right here, when the wheel pulls back, there's a rubber band here that gets stretched when you and it gets twisted around the axle. So soon, but when you release, it goes.
Nice.
And yes, and that's all for today.
All right.